Madarom is a Malagasy company which produces essential oils and spices. We partner with over 2,000 smallholder farmers who supply aromatic plants and spices cultivated using agroforestry practices. Our focus is on sustainable value chains, ensuring that Madagascar's rich biodiversity benefits both local communities and international markets. We joined the pledge because it aligns with our mission of reducing food insecurity by empowering smallholder farmers. Through sustainable agricultural practices and value addition, we contribute to improve livelihoods, enhance productivity, and better nutrition in Madagascar. Madarom has committed to train and support farmers in sustainable practices and post-harvest processing techniques to increase productivity and income. By doing so, we aim to address the root causes of hunger and malnutrition, while also promoting biodiversity. The private sector plays a crucial role by investing in sustainable agriculture, providing market access to farmers, and encouraging innovation in food systems. Companies should join the pledge to amplify collective impact, drive positive change in communities, and contribute to global efforts to end hunger.